Hey there, food lovers! Get ready for an exciting new adventure filled with vibrant colors and endless fun. We created the most beautiful rainbow cake ever. Want to know how to make this showstopper? So, what are you waiting for? Let's get baking and create some rainbow magic in the kitchen. Before diving into the wonderful baking world, let's kick things off by gathering our ingredients. This is the ultimate first step to making our baking adventure a breeze. With everything ready and at our fingertips, we're all set for a delicious journey. Measured out ingredients will save us time and prevent any last-minute scrambles. Get ready to embark on a delicious adventure with our enchanting rainbow cake. This isn't just your average cake. It's a breathtaking explosion of colors that will wow your eyes and tantalize your taste buds. Every layer is a vibrant masterpiece waiting to bring joy to anyone lucky enough to indulge in a slice. For the cake, we need all-purpose flour and granulated sugar. Flour is the foundation of our cake, giving it structure, while sugar adds sweetness and helps with the cake's texture. Next, we have baking powder and salt. Baking powder is our leavening agent, which will help the cake rise and become fluffy. Salt, on the other hand, enhances the flavors and balances the sweetness. We also need milk, butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. Milk adds moisture and richness to the cake, while butter provides a creamy texture and flavor. Eggs are essential for binding the ingredients together and adding structure. The vanilla extract gives our cake a delightful aroma and enhances the overall taste. For the frosting, we'll need unsalted butter and powdered sugar. The unsalted butter ensures our frosting is smooth and creamy, while powdered sugar adds the perfect sweetness and helps achieve a light, fluffy texture. We'll also need vanilla extract and milk for the frosting. The vanilla extract will add a lovely flavor, and the milk will help achieve the right consistency for spreading. And for the food coloring, we'll need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple food coloring. These vibrant colors will transform our cake into a rainbow wonder, making it visually stunning and fun to eat. You can also use natural food coloring from fruits and vegetables. This is an excellent option if you prefer to avoid artificial colors. For example, beet juice can be used for red, turmeric for yellow, and spinach for green. Make sure you have everything. Double-checking your ingredients before you start will ensure you don't miss anything important. It's always better to be prepared than to realize you're missing something halfway through the process. Now, let's move on to the fun part: baking. Preheat your oven to the required temperature and get ready to create a magical, colorful cake that will impress everyone. The journey of baking this cake is just as enjoyable as the final result. So let's dive in and start baking our magical rainbow cake. Get ready to unleash your inner baker. It's time to dive into the delicious world of baking. First, fire up that oven and get it preheating for all the tasty magic to come. We want our cake to be nice and warm. Mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. This is our dry mix. Whisk together the milk, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract in another bowl. This is our wet mix. Now, slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix gently until everything is combined. Don't overmix. Prepare for an explosion of vibrant hues as we embark on our spectacular rainbow creation. It's time to divide the batter into 6 fun bowls, each waiting to bring a splash of color to our masterpiece and allowing each vibrant hue to shine brilliantly. It's time for some fun and creativity. Each bowl will be a different color of the rainbow. Remember Roig Biv? That's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. We'll use purple. Add a few drops of food coloring to each bowl. Mix well until you have 6 beautiful colors. Get excited because we're about to dive into the vibrant world of baking with our rainbow layers. Grease and flour 6 cake pans. This will stop the cake from sticking. Now pour each color of batter into a separate pan. Make sure each pan has the same amount of batter. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. You can check if the cakes are done with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they're ready. Let the cakes cool completely before frosting. It's time for the most exciting part: building the rainbow tower. Get ready to stack those beautiful cooled cake layers sky high. Begin with a vibrant red foundation, then let the fun continue with zesty orange, followed by sunny yellow, refreshing green, and bold blue, and finally, crown it all with a stunning purple layer on top. Let's create a masterpiece that dazzles the eyes and delights the taste buds. Unleashing your creative touch, it's time to bring your cake masterpiece to life. Start by generously frosting every inch with your favorite icing, smooth, creamy, and delicious. Once your canvas is ready, let your imagination run wild. Adorn it with a dazzling array of sprinkles, colorful candies, or any delightful toppings that tickle your fancy. Make it uniquely yours and a true feast for the eyes. Imagine the joy of sharing your stunning rainbow cake with your friends and family. Picture their delighted faces as you present this colorful masterpiece, each layer bursting with flavor. It's not just a treat, it's a celebration of togetherness and happiness. Let's dive into the fun of creating memories around this beautiful cake. A rainbow cake is a feast for the eyes and a burst of joy for the taste buds, transforming every slice into a vibrant celebration you can savor. It complements an array of drinks beautifully, such as a steaming mug of coffee, a refreshing glass of milk, or even a celebratory glass of champagne. Prepare to wow your guests because your rainbow cake is the show's star. Whether it's a vibrant birthday bash, a cozy family gathering, or a fun get-together with friends, this eye-catching treat will steal the spotlight and leave everyone delighted. So slice it up, share the joy, and enjoy the compliments. Today, we're whipping up an enchanting rainbow cake that's sure to dazzle. This delightful creation is a delicious treat for your taste buds and a vibrant spectacle that will wow your eyes. Get ready for a baking adventure full of color and fun. This cake is super fun to make and tastes amazing. Imagine slicing into it and revealing a burst of vibrant colors. It's like a party on a plate. This recipe is perfect for birthdays or any special day. It's easy to follow. Whether you're celebrating a birthday or an anniversary or want to add color to your day, this cake is the perfect choice, and the result is a showstopper. Everyone will love it. The layers of vibrant colors will make everyone smile, and the delicious taste will keep them coming back for more. Get ready for a colorful adventure. We'll bake a cake with all the colors of the rainbow. Are you excited? So grab your aprons, everyone. Let's create some rainbow magic in the kitchen. Are you ready? Let's get started. Unleash your inner rainbow. Get ready to experience the thrill of whipping up something vibrant and scrumptious in your kitchen. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of baking with a jaw-dropping rainbow cake that will dazzle everyone who sees it. Let the festivities begin. Congratulations! You've made your very own magical rainbow cake. Each layer represents a burst of creativity and effort. The final result is a testament to your baking skills. Look at those vibrant colors and the perfect layers. It's a masterpiece. Take a moment to celebrate your achievement. Give yourself a well-deserved pat on the back. You've tackled baking challenges like a pro, and look at the stunning cake you've created. It's not just a dessert, it's a testament to your effort and creativity. Embrace the joy of your hard work and cherish this delicious masterpiece you've created. Don't forget to share pictures of your fabulous creations on social media. Your friends and family will be amazed by your baking prowess, and you might even inspire others to try making a rainbow cake. Sharing your success is a great way to connect with fellow bakers and cake enthusiasts. We love to see your baking triumphs. Remember to tag us in your photos. You'll join a community of passionate bakers who love sharing their creations and tips by tagging us in your photos. You can even share your creations in the comments below. It's an excellent way to get feedback, find inspiration, and celebrate the joy of baking together. If you enjoyed this dessert, give it a big thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to bring you fun and easy recipes. We love hearing from you, so don't hesitate to leave a comment and let us know how your baking experience went. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy recipes. You'll be the first to know about our latest videos, tips, and tricks. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, our channel has something for everyone. From simple cookies to elaborate cakes, we've got you covered. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. With the notification bell turned on, you'll receive instant updates whenever we upload a new recipe. This way, you can stay ahead of the baking game and impress your loved ones with your culinary creations. Thank you for joining us on this colorful baking journey. We can't wait to see what you bake next. Until next time, happy baking!